Oh, I think it's someone's, like...
Farm! I'm Jackson!
Is that...
William! What did I say about showing some respect when we have guests? William! Jackson.
And this pig is...
How to run?
Shift.
Girl, how to run?
Shift?
Where are you?
I don't know. What?
Oh god, you're into that! Grease. Oh god.
What?
Jävla bajs! Alla är så liten, dina grisar var så... Like, I'm scared, oh Kyle. Shut this damn door!
Young lady. Who keeps opening the door?
Not me, I swear. Ella? Are you recording right now? Guess you're recording that.
Yeah, of course.
I have no idea.
I swear, probably gonna be like
Knock knock.
yeah, that's probably why they don't want us burping in there. Big burp.
Yeah, I can tell.
Damn. It will cost you.
5!
Oh my god, Anna, what have you drinking?
Air. Oi? Oh hell. Are you serious right now? No. That's big sur.
Oh my god. No, sit on the chair, sit on the chair. Good boy.
Fuck off.
Stop. Oh god.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Are we about to get jump scared? Anna? What happened?
Bro, I'm dead. How is my favorite employer doing? Oh god. Ella, I think we need to broke up.
Are you actually dumb? I'm actually about to slap your jiggly booty.
I'm a Sigma boy.
Oh hell no, it's the same guy.
Oh?
I think I'm gonna get actually like jump scared.
Oh hell.
It's gonna
No, because I'm gonna go outside.
kind of scary.
No. Help! Where is the fat even? Ella, stop being carry on. What? Pokto. Hi, Pookie. Come here, bitch. I'm gonna fuck. Meow, meow, meow.